Avocado farming in Kenya is one of the most promising ways to build long-term wealth using agriculture. Over the past few years, more farmers have turned to avocados because of the growing demand both locally and internationally. The fruit is loved for its health benefits, good taste, and high oil content. Because of this, many countries are importing large quantities of avocados every year. This has opened a great opportunity for Kenyan farmers who are ready to invest their time, land, and effort into this green gold. In Kenya, avocado farming is not just for large-scale farmers. Even small-scale farmers with a small piece of land can start and grow steadily. The beauty of avocado farming is that once your trees mature, they can produce fruits for many years with proper care. This means you can enjoy income season after season without replanting every year. It is a long-term investment that can change your financial life if managed well. To start avocado farming, the first thing you need is land. Avocados do well in areas with moderate rainfall and well-drained soils. Many parts of central Kenya, parts of Rift Valley, and some western regions are suitable. However, even if your area is dry, you can still succeed with proper irrigation. Water is important, especially during the early stages of growth. If you can manage water well, your chances of success increase greatly. After securing land, the next step is choosing the right avocado variety. In Kenya, there are two main types grown for business. These are Hass and Fuerte. Hass is the most profitable because it is highly demanded in export markets. It has a rough skin and turns dark when ripe. Fuerte, on the other hand, is smooth and green even when ripe, and is mostly sold in local markets. If your goal is to make serious money, Hass is the best option, although some farmers plant both to diversify. Buying quality seedlings is very important. You should always buy certified seedlings from trusted nurseries. Good seedlings may cost more, but they save you from future losses. Poor quality seedlings may grow slowly, produce fewer fruits, or even fail completely. A single seedling can cost between 100 Kenya shillings and 300 Kenya shillings, depending on the source and quality. For 1 acre of land, you may need about 100 to 150 seedlings. Land preparation is the next step. You need to clear the land, dig holes, and prepare the soil before planting. Each hole should be deep enough to allow roots to grow freely. Adding manure to the soil improves fertility and helps the young trees grow strong. This stage may cost you between 10,000 Kenya shillings and 30,000 Kenya shillings, depending on the size of your land and labor costs. Planting should be done during the rainy season, so that the seedlings can establish themselves easily. After planting, regular care is needed. This includes watering, weeding, mulching, and protecting the plants from pests and diseases. During the first 2 years, your main focus should be on helping the trees grow strong roots and branches. This stage requires patience because there is no income yet, but it is very important for future success. Avocado trees usually start producing fruits after about 3 years. However, full production is reached after about 5 years. At this stage, each tree can produce hundreds of fruits every season. With good care, a single tree can produce between 200 and 1,000 fruits. When you have many trees, the total production becomes very high. Let us look at the income potential. If you plant 100 trees on 1 acre and each tree produces about 300 fruits, you will have about 30,000 fruits in 1 season. If each fruit sells at 10 Kenya shillings, you will earn about 300,000 Kenya shillings. If the price goes up to 25 Kenya shillings per fruit, your income can reach about 750,000 Kenya shillings per acre. This shows how profitable avocado farming can be. Prices of avocados depend on the market. Local markets may offer lower prices, especially during peak seasons when supply is high. However, export markets offer better prices because of high demand. Many farmers join cooperatives or work with exporters to access these markets. Exporters usually have strict requirements on quality, size, and handling, so farmers must follow good agricultural practices. One of the best ways to increase profits is by adding value. Instead of selling raw avocados, some farmers process them into oil or other products. Avocado oil is highly valued in the beauty and health industry. Although processing requires additional investment, it can significantly increase your income. You can also sort and grade your fruits to sell premium ones at higher prices. Another important aspect is farm management. Proper pruning helps trees grow well and produce more fruits. Removing dead branches and shaping the tree improves air circulation and sunlight penetration. This reduces the risk of diseases and improves fruit quality. Regular application of manure and fertilizers also boosts production. Pests and diseases can affect avocado farming if not controlled. Common pests include fruit flies, mites, and thrips. Diseases such as root rot can also cause losses. The best approach is prevention. Regular monitoring, proper spacing, and good hygiene on the farm can reduce these problems. If necessary, use recommended pesticides carefully and follow guidelines to avoid damaging your crop. Water management is also very important. During dry periods, irrigation ensures that your trees continue to grow and produce fruits. Drip irrigation is one of the most effective methods because it saves water and delivers it directly to the roots. Although installing irrigation may require investment, it pays off in the long run through better yields. To make your farming journey easier, you can join farmer groups or cooperatives. These groups provide training, market connections, and sometimes financial support. Learning from experienced farmers helps you avoid common mistakes and improve your skills. Agriculture is always changing, so continuous learning is key to success. Intercropping is another strategy that can help you earn money while waiting for your avocado trees to mature. You can plant crops like beans, maize, or vegetables between the avocado trees. This allows you to generate income in the early years instead of waiting for 3 to 5 years. It also helps you utilize your land fully. Record keeping is often overlooked but very important. Keeping track of your expenses, yields, and sales helps you understand your business better. You can identify what works and what needs improvement. This also helps you plan for expansion and manage your finances wisely. Marketing your avocados is a skill you need to develop. Do not wait until harvest time to look for buyers. Build relationships with traders, exporters, and local markets early. Use social media and online platforms to reach more customers. The more options you have, the better your chances of getting good prices. Despite its many benefits, avocado farming also has challenges. One of the main challenges is price fluctuation. Sometimes prices drop due to oversupply. Another challenge is the waiting period before trees start producing. This requires patience and proper planning. However, with the right strategy, these challenges can be managed. Climate change is also affecting agriculture. Unpredictable rainfall and extreme weather conditions can impact production. Farmers need to adapt by using irrigation, planting drought-resistant varieties, and adopting modern farming techniques. Being prepared for changes ensures that your farm remains productive. The future of avocado farming in Kenya looks very bright. Demand continues to grow as more people around the world adopt healthy diets. Kenya is well positioned to benefit from this demand due to its favorable climate and strategic location. With proper planning and commitment, avocado farming can become a reliable source of income for many years. In conclusion, making money from avocado farming in Kenya is possible for anyone willing to learn, invest, and stay patient. It is not a get-rich-quick venture, but a steady and rewarding journey. Start with what you have, follow the right practices, and keep improving your skills. Over time, your small farm can grow into a successful agribusiness that supports you and your family for generations.